All right, guys. So today I want to show you how to delete your profile picture on mobile as well as desktop. I'll put timestamps below so that you can jump ahead if you're looking for the desktop option. Super easy process on both. When this video helps you, if you could like the video and consider subscribing to the channel, it's just a really easy way to support the work we're doing here. And honestly, I would really appreciate it. So with that, let's jump in. We'll start here with the mobile experience. Now, whether you have a business account or a personal account, whatever it is, you need to go to your profile and just open up your profile picture. Just tap it and you're going to get these options down here. We need to click the see profile picture option. And then here, there's three dots in the upper right hand side. If you're on Android, don't know where they will be, but you just need to find those three dots, open that up, and then hit the delete photo. We'll hit delete, and that will delete our profile picture. Now, it's not going to delete this image from our albums. It's still going to be there. So I can show you if I go click on it again, choose profile picture, scroll down, that upload is still here. So I still have it. I'm just deleting it from my profile picture. With that, let's actually jump over to the desktop experience and I can show you how to do this there. So the process is going to be very, very similar. We're going to open up our page, whether it's business or personal. Then we're going to click the image and we're going to select the see profile picture option. Oops, let me refresh this. All right, click the image, see profile picture. Then we'll hit these three dots right here again, and we're going to look for delete photo. And we're going to confirm we want to delete that photo. Give it a second. And there you can see that that profile picture has now been deleted. So that's all we got today, guys. Hope this helps. Again, if it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.